So yeah, ito yung ano, that building over there you're seeing is ito dyan yung aming kwarto. So ito yung pool nila. Hindi pa kami makapag-swim because there's just a lot of look at that. Ito, there's Sky over there. Say hi. Yeah, medyo ano it's raining. So we can't really go swimming right now. Ayan si Ray. And ako ay yeah, we're hoping na mamaya hindi na masyado. Let's walk. Are you hoping that the rain will stop, or let's pray that the rain will stop, diba? Yes. Yes what? Yes what? Huh? Yes what? Yes what? You're hoping?
Yes.
Hoping what? You're hoping what? Are you hoping what?
Yes. Hoping for what?
Hoping for what? Hoping?
Does the rain? No.
Anong no? That the rain will?
Stop.
Okay, the rain will stop. So that's yun yung kinunan ko kagabi. Ang ganda yung anyang itong Nobu, itong side na to, I think. 'Di ba? Ting Nobu, 'di ba? Yan. So there you go. So that's way over there. There. Maanda. Kunin ko yung payong. Maanda ba?
Sky, come here. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi what? May access ba dyan?
Na
Pwede dyan pumunta, di ba?
Nobu restaurant. Buka. Oo, siguro. Pero pag ano, mamaya, balik tayo kung medyo pahay. Siguro.
Doon din naman ang entrance natin.
Yeah.
Dahil walang sun, dead ang sunflower. Yung sunflower sad.
Kasi na ulan. May sunflower naman.
Yung sunflower. Ang usual na sunflower. Okay.
Wala na ba? Alam ko.
Hmm? Gusto mo ba mag-steal shot? Ikaw, how about you?
Oo, still.
How about you, Sky? How do you feel? What do you want? What do you want? Huh? You want what? Huh? You want what? You want? Okay. You're not talking. You want what? You want what? Huh? What?
Swimming.
What?
Swimming.
Swimming?
Swimming.
Swimming. I want to go swimming. Okay, we're gonna turn it up. Magsa-shots tayo.